One of the most common mistakes is confusing say and tell. Wrong. I told that I was tired. Correct. I said that I was tired. Or, I told him I was tired. Remember, tell needs an object, tell someone. Say does not need an object. Another classic error. Wrong. I have lived here since 3 years. Correct. I have lived here for 3 years. Use for with a period of time. For 3 years. For a week. Use since with a point in time. Since 2020. Since Monday. Make or do. Wrong. I did a mistake. Correct. I made a mistake. The rule. Make is for creating or producing things. Do is for actions and tasks. Make a cake. Make a decision. Do homework. Do exercise. These words are not the same. Fun means enjoyable. The party was fun. Funny means it makes you laugh. That joke was funny. So never say, the movie was fun if you mean it made you laugh. Say, the movie was funny. Let us review today's mistakes. Tell needs an object. For is for duration. Since is for a point in time. Make a mistake. Do homework. Fun means enjoyable. Funny means it makes you laugh. Now you will never make these mistakes again.